Hello viewers, welcome to Audio 360. Today I have this Sony WF-1000XM4. So I am going to replace the battery of these earbuds because the battery backup of these earbuds is completely bad. I got this from one of the subscriber here in Bangalore. So he directly sent it to me to my place here in Bangalore. I am also from Bangalore. So I have to tear this down. So I have given some heat and remove this. So removing this is bit difficult. So you may end up breaking the flex cable. So there is flex cable connected over there. You can see I'm going to take this apart. The flex cable is connected. So this is the battery which I am going to use. This is lithium ion polymer battery, first quality battery. So I'm going to replace that on these two earbuds, both earbuds. So let me take this apart and come here. So this is the internal look. I have taken the flex cable. You can see this is the flex cable which was connected here. So now to take out the battery, you can see the battery is here. So this is also lithium ion battery. So to take out this battery, we have to remove this board here. So this is pasted to this battery. So there is two flex cables connected to this board. So while removing this, it is very delicate. You may end up breaking this. If you want me to replace this battery, if you have bad battery backup, then you can do message on this above WhatsApp number. You can send it to Bangalore using Speed Post, India Post. It will be cheaper. I will replace the battery behalf of you. You can send it to me here in Bangalore, Audio 360. So alright, let's continue this. Just we have to take this board out because the board is pasted to this battery. So let me take that out and come. Now you can see I have removed this flex cable here. Then I have removed the pasting of this board which was pasted in this battery. So you can see the battery is ZeniPower Z55H. So this is the bad battery here. So let me take out the battery. The battery is again pasted to the bottom. So taking this out is a bit difficult. Now you can see I have removed the battery just by pulling this, it will come out. So this is the bad battery. So you can see the sizes of the battery. This is perfectly same. So it will give same mAh battery. So I'm going to install this battery, the left one. The right one is the actual battery which is bad. So alright, let me install this battery and come here. Now you can see battery has been installed. Red wire is plus and the black one is minus. You can see the red white wire is connected here to the board and the black wire connected to this side of the board. So plus and minus has been connected. Now just we have to place it and just close the earbuds. Now you can see I have positioned the battery. Just we have to install this flex cable and we have to put this flex cable here. That's it. It will be done. So that's it. I have connected the flex cable. Now simply we have to paste this. Before that I wanted to test the charging. You can see there is no wear and tear marks, there is no tear down marks. So alright, this is started working now. Alright, you can see I have placed it. You can see it is started charging here. So we have to paste it. After testing I am going to paste it. Meanwhile I am going to replace the battery of the other side which I have removed and kept already. So alright, let me replace the battery of this and come here. So this side of the battery is also replaced. Now I am going to connect this flex cable. That's it. So alright, now I'm just going to simply close like this and I'm going to keep in the case. So I have kept in the case. So these both had been this one has been charging for some time. While now I have kept this. Let me connect this and show you a quick demo the working functionality of these earbuds. So this way we can replace the battery. So this is the best way to replace the battery and also the cheapest way. If you would like to replace the batteries of this Sony WF-1000XM4, so please don't forget to message to this WhatsApp number. I am from Bangalore. You can send these earbuds to me here in Bangalore. I can replace the batteries behalf of you. So alright, let's have a quick demo here. So alright, you can see I have already connected. WF-1000XM4 is connected. Battery percentage is 60. So after sometimes it will be charged. Now I am going to show you the demo before closing the earbuds. So now I am going to use my mic here. This is one side and this is the other side, right one. So alright, this is the working functionality. Now let me paste these earbuds. You can see this is opened. Now let me paste this and come here. So now you can see both earbuds has been pasted perfectly. There is no marks, no nothing. So it is perfect now, 100% working perfect. So I am going to put this in the case so that it will start charging. So it is started charging. If you have any earbuds like this, if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I hope you like the video. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, Audio with 360. So please go through it. If you like the videos, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, Audio with 360, and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.